Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Creative. Today I'll be showing you all a very easy block printing using wooden blocks at home. So it's very simple and it's very cost effective, and we can give a new look to our old saris. So that's gonna be very interesting. So the very first thing we need is sari. You can take any old sari or new sari, or that's up to you guys. Here I have taken my mom's old Kerala set sari, and then I'll be taking fabric colors. Here I have 12 colors, so I'll be choosing the ones which I want. So you can buy it individually or as a pack. Next thing we need is wooden blocks, so you can get it from any craft stores. So this is as per your choice. You can take or buy any wooden block as per your choice. Here I have bought two small and one big. So this small ones retails for 40 rupees, and I think the big one was for 65 or 70 rupees. And then we will need a scrubber, like which we use to wash vessels, and maybe you can even use sponge as well. That's up to you. I think sponge is better, but this scrubber is available in every home. That's the reason I took this. And then you will need paper, a waste cloth, and a measuring tape, and a small pencil or something to mark. And now what you can do is like just lay down paper, newspaper, just like that, and on top of that just lay down your sari, and just spread it really well so that there is no creases. And since I'm gonna block print in certain way, I need to have measurement, exactly measurement wherein I have to place the block. So first what I'm gonna do is like I'm gonna take the whole sari with measurement, and then I'll be folding the measuring tape and just finding out the middle, and then I will be keeping over the sari and marking that. And then what I'm gonna do is like from there I'll be again finding out the middle, exactly the middle portion of the sari, and then with the help of measuring tape I'll be again marking that. So just repeat the same, and I'll be marking dots on top of sari wherein I will place the wooden blocks. So it's very simple. It's just that for the very first line I'll be marking the measurements. So for the rest of the blocks I won't be marking any measurements, because I will get an idea with the first placement of blocks itself. So you are gonna see how I'm gonna do. So for the first line I have already marked the measurements. Then what I'm gonna do is like I'm gonna just pour a little bit of fabric paint to the scrubber, and then I'll be just spreading it using a paper piece. You can use a brush. Then I'll be pressing a block over on top of this, and on top of a waste cloth I'll be just placing this block so as to see first, to have a trial if it goes well or not. So it's perfect. So I'll be repeating the same process, just dipping my block into that paint, actually just pressing it and then pressing that block over my sari. So the very first thing didn't turn out well, but it's okay, we are gonna correct it later on. So next time when I place the block, it was just perfect. So this is the third time. I'll be again repeating the same, just putting in the block over the scrubber wherein there is paint, and then I'll be pressing it over the sari. So here I get that perfect blocks of flowers, which is so pretty. You can use any desired colors. It's all up to you. Just be creative. I'm just showing you guys the method. So I have made it as simple as possible so that any beginner can do this. I think you can just complete the whole sari in just like 100 or 200 rupees, not more than that. So here I'll be going over the first block print once again, because it was not that neat. So this time it was perfect. So even if something gets wrong, do not worry, you can correct it. So that's not a big issue. Now for the next line, what I'm gonna do is like I'm gonna take a red color, and I'll be placing this a different kind of block, some actually in between these two flowers. So this time I need not take any measurement, because I know where the flower measurement is, and I'll be eyeballing where the middle part is, and I'll be placing the block. So hereafter we need not take any measurement. You can just eyeball the middle portion and just place the block. It's very simple. So this is the design I'm gonna follow. So if you are placing the blocks just on the borders of the sari, it's gonna be much more easier. Since I want to cover the whole sari, this is the pattern I'm gonna follow. And now I'll be taking a lavender shade, and what I'm gonna do is, like, I'm gonna place the block just on the same line wherein I have placed the first blue color block prints. So I'll be just repeating the same, just gonna place these blocks as I'll be taking my desired colors and gonna complete the whole sari. This is very simple. It's gonna take a little bit time. It's time consuming process, but the end result is so amazing. Just imagine, guys, just with 100 or 200 rupees you can just give your sari a very new look, and the satisfaction of doing it by yourself is very good. Even kids can do this. I know this is like a summer vacation for kids, so just you can buy these things for your kid and make them do it if they are interested. So just repeat the same and keep on doing. So I have block printed the whole sari, and I have kept it overnight to dry, and once it is completely dried, I'll be reversing the sari. I'll be ironing it at the other part of the sari, and with that our block printing is completely done. So you can definitely give it for dry wash, or you can even hand wash it. There is no problem, but please make it a point that you are not harsh. Just give it a mild soap wash, that's it. So I really hope this video has been helpful for you all. If so, please do give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. See you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye, take care, love you all.